I'm going to show you how to do a long tail cast on using a thumb method. The first thing you want to do is measure about 3.5 times the width of whatever you're working on. At that point, you're going to make a slip knot. Draw a circle in your hand with the yarn. Take that strand that's on top of the circle to the back of the circle. Then use the tip of your needle to go under that strand and gently pull up. You can pull on the two strands coming off of the knot to snug it up to the needle. Make sure it's not too tight though. This is going to be your first stitch. So now you're ready to set up for the thumb method. You have your long tail in front coming off the front of your needle and your working yarn attached to the ball coming off the back of the needle. First, just hold that working yarn with the needle in your right hand. Now, take your left hand and with all 4 of your fingers, grab that long tail coming off the front of the needle. With your thumb, swoop it under that long tail and put it out like this, like you're hitchhiking kind of. Let's do it one more time. Hold the working yarn with your needle in your right hand. Grab the long tail with your 4 left fingers. Swoop your thumb under this strand, the long tail, and out like you're giving a thumbs up. Then you're going to take the tip of your needle to the base of your thumb. Draw it up your thumb, picking up that strand. Now you have the needle and your thumb in this loop. With your right hand, take the working yarn and wrap it counterclockwise around the needle. After you do that, take the tip of the needle through that loop coming off your thumb. Let the thumb fall out and then gently pull the long tail to tighten up that stitch. Let's make sure our setup is good again. And take the tip of the needle to the thumb, draw it up the thumb, picking up that strand, wrap the working yarn around the needle, bring the needle through the loop coming off of your thumb, and then gently tighten. Take the needle to the base of your thumb, draw it up your thumb, picking up that strand. Take your working yarn, wrap it counterclockwise around your needle, draw the needle through that loop on your thumb, let your thumb fall out, and then gently tighten that stitch. So now we have 4 stitches. Let's do a couple more. I promise as you do this, the more and more it'll get faster and faster. So needle to the thumb, up the thumb, wrap the needle, needle through the loop, thumb comes out, gently tighten. That's a long tail cast on using a thumb method.